Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. Today I'm going to show you how to make very simple delicious tomato soup at home. So for that, here I have taken a zucchini. I'm not going to use the whole thing. And then I have a carrot here and a few tomatoes. You can adjust the quantity depending on your quantity requirement. Here I have taken few cloves of garlic, like about 4 is enough. And also gonna use 1 shallot, or if you don't have that, you can use half of the onions. And you can skip the vegetable part, but this will give nice texture to it, so I would recommend to use it. And then I'm gonna peel off the carrot and zucchini skin, and I'm using half zucchini, so I'm just gonna peel that much of the skin off. And then I'm gonna roughly chop these vegetables. So all chopping is done, all veggies are ready. And now you can roast this in oven, but I'm gonna use air fry today, and I have foiled it nicely like a bowl shape so that it can hold all the veggies to it. And I'm gonna take all the veggies into a bowl, and I'm gonna season it. So first I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Now this part you don't want to skip it, but add whatever ingredients you prefer. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil, then I'm gonna add some parsley, some Italian seasoning, black pepper, and salt. This is just basic ingredient I'm using it, but of course you can add whatever you prefer. Instead of garlic, you can also use garlic powder, but if you have fresh, yeah, please use fresh. Now I'm gonna give it a toss, and then we're gonna add everything into the air fryer. And once you add everything in it, I'm gonna roast this at 400 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Meanwhile, I got some fresh basil here from my garden. I'm gonna finely chop this. It's gonna give nice flavor to our soup. And our basil is ready and chopped up. And now our veggies are ready. All the tomatoes, carrot, everything is nicely roasted here. And now once it's cooled down, you want to blend it to a puree. I couldn't wait, so I'm gonna add cold water to it so it blends easily. I'm taking butter into this pan because I'm gonna make soup into this pan. So now if you want to use any fresh ingredient, you can add it to this stage with the butter to cook them. Like if you want to add fresh garlic or a finely chopped onion, you can do so. I'm going to skip that and pour my soup, blended soup, into this butter. And just as you can see, it is really thick right now, so we're gonna adjust the consistency here. And for that, you can also use cream. Here I'm adding milk, so that way I can make it a little soupier. And with that, I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar to balance out, and salt. And I'm gonna add fresh basil here and give it a stir. And now I'm going to add water to adjust the consistency. So you can add whatever consistency you prefer. So add more if you like a little soupier, or if you like thick, if you want to eat with nice bread. And if you want thick, add less water. And I'm going to let this boil, and it is boiling and it is ready to enjoy. And I like little thicker, so that way we can dip our grilled cheese bread in it. So you can keep it whatever you like, thick or thin. I'm gonna serve this, and I'm gonna add chili flakes to it since we didn't add it, some sour cream, and decorate it with basil. And here it is, our delicious soup is ready to enjoy. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching.